If I had to imagine or paint a picture of a woman I would want for my son Greg, it would be Danielle. Except Danielle is better than that. She's more than that. You're smart, you're funny, you're warm, you're wonderful, and you're loving. And I can't imagine a better wife for Greg or a better part of our family. Love you so much.
Writing about the beauty of the world, the poet Gerard Manley Hopkins said, "These things were here, and but the beholder wanting. When I see how lucky Greg is to have found Danielle, and how lucky Danielle is to have found Greg, I see two people who are grateful for their ability to apprehend the presence of beauty and joy in the world."
Danielle, at our first wedding, I vowed to always honor, cherish, and love you. At our second wedding, I vowed to always honor, cherish, and love you in a manner legally acceptable to the city of New York. And now, at our third and probably final wedding, I'd like to tweak my vows a little bit. As Maha put so beautifully, what we have is not a commitment, and it has never felt like one.
Today, Greg and Danielle share a special, quirky sense of humor, as well as a combined knowledge that is astonishing. They each light up each other's life, and we have never seen Danielle as happy as she has been since she met Greg.
I vow to always honor, cherish, and love everything and everyone that makes our marriage the most profound joy I will ever know.
I am so glad that despite everything we've gone through as a world, as a planet, as a people, as a community, all of us together, for both of you as a couple with your wedding getting moved, for this entire family, I'm glad we're in this history where you guys are Danielle and Greg, and you guys are together. And today, in your 898th marriage to each other, Heidi Klum and Seal style.
I just want to raise a glass to this couple who I admire so much, who I love so much. Here's to a lifetime of both of you making me laugh, because that's the important thing. Danielle, we are so blessed to have you as a part of our family, and we all feel so blessed to be a part of your beautiful family. So, cheers.